welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our succulent tri-tip roast, everybody, crock pot style. I'm telling you, you don't always have to do it in the oven, but you guys can utilize your wonderful crock pots. Pull them on out now, let them cook for you. You know what's a good thing? Because you can go ahead and have this stuff cooking all night long. Oh yeah, the longer the better, the more tender it is. Look at the tri-tip. Look how it just peels apart right after we cooked it for a nice 4 to 5 hours, and it doesn't take that long. And that was on high. And if you could turn it on low, you can have that stuff cook like all day and all night. Exactly. But I'm telling you, the more longer it cooks, the more flavors throughout that. In the beginning, you guys saw us do the onion, the garlic, all those special seasons. You guys got to season it up. And I'm talking about not just using salt and pepper. If you use salt and pepper, that's boring. You got to kick it up a notch and use some Mama Soul kitchen seasonings, or you got to use some garlic powder, some Lyrette salt, and stuff like that, and some no salt, all that other stuff. That's fine. We even use some Lipton cup of soup mix as well. That even works even much better as well. Oh yeah, all the flavor the better. Then look at this. We turned that juice that was in that crock pot into a nice gravy. Made some nice mashed potatoes and green beans. All the recipes is on our YouTube channel. Go over there and check it out, you guys. Oh, definitely. Look at that. Don't it make you want to slap somebody? I tell you, ladies, keep your men at home. Keep your men at home. This is the way. Tell you, Mama Soul Kitchen.